Okay, please read with me on page 6 of the book. We can round to tell us, without getting bogged down by a lot of details, about how many there are in this group. That's what rounding does for us. It tells us about how many there are. Look at example 1. In example 1, we're going to round 3 numbers, 22, 25, and 28. Each of them will round to the nearest 10. Now, the first thing I always ask myself in this kind of a situation is, how many 10s do I have coming in to this problem? Well, of course, we look at the problem. We have 2 10s in each case. They all start with the number 2. 2 10s, we're coming in with 20. The next question I always ask is, well then, do I want to stay with the 10 that I have? Do I want to stay with 20 or round off to the next one up, which is 30? Here I am over here, above the 22 here, and as you can see, the 22 is so close to the 20 that I may as well round down and stay with the 10s that we had coming in, the 20. Now here I am right above the 25. And since the 25 is halfway over to the 30, we may as well go the rest of the way and round up to the next 10, which in this case happens to be 30. Likewise, with any number between 25 and 30, which would be 26, 27, and especially 28, which is one of the numbers in this particular problem, we would round up to the next 10, which in this case happens to be 30. Hey, we've just seen an example of the rounding rule in action. The rounding rule says that when the number on the right-hand side of the 10th place is 5 or is less than 5, as in the case of 22, then we round down and stay with the number of 10s that we had coming in. And we did that with 22. We stayed with 20. Okay? The rounding rule also says that if the number to the right of the 10th place is 5 or higher, then we round up to the next 10, which in this case was 30.